Roughly 280 square feet of this. It'll be 8 foot. So we're about to do a sound check here for the presentation we're doing at the Coeur d'Alene Resort for the Idaho Chamber of Commerce and Department of Tourism. We started back at the very beginning when Jink's doing very short flight to let him know again, hey, this is a real easy, simple thing.
What are the stars in their effects? So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Here it is. So right now.
Well, we just had our photo shoot for Parrot Effects, and it was pretty bad. Am I allowed to say that?
That water's not going anywhere. This right now is one of my favorite times in any kind of performing venue that I've ever been in. It's kind of the calm before the storm, whether it's your large-scale arena in Memphis, Tennessee, or your little airplane hangar converted into theater in Idaho. 3 minutes, so I want to do it ideally 2 minutes before the show. Horton's macaw, and then we also have Rocco. So for birds, tic-tac-toe. Gonna be famous. Anybody wants to hear
Facebook
it?
poll.